Hello students, welcome to our this video lecture. Today in this lecture we will start to learn poem. Our first poem is 1.1 A Teenager's Prayer. Before starting the poem, we should try to understand about the evaluation of the poem in our question paper. Question paper मध्ये poemचं evaluation किती आहे? Poetry section is for 10 marks in our activity sheet. Poetry section is the third one section in our question paper and it is for 10 marks. So first one part of the poetry section is about textual poem, it is for 5 marks, and second one is appreciation of poem, it is also for 5 marks. These both parts are very easy. दोन्ही पार्ट खूप easy असतात. Don't take any tension or any distress about this poetry section. या poetry section बद्दल कुठल्याही प्रकारचा ताण करण्याची अजिबात गरज नाही. टेक्स्चुअल पोएम मध्ये काय असतं? व्हॉट इज द टेक्स्चुअल पोएम? जस्ट फॉर दिस टेक्स्चुअल पोएम वी शुड अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट इज द पोएम. पोएम काय आहे ते आपण आधी समजून घेतलं पाहिजे. वी हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड दॅट व्हॉट इज द रिअल मीनिंग ऑफ द पोएम, व्हॉट पोएट वॉन्ट्स टू टेल अस. आपल्याला हे पहिले समजून घेतलं पाहिजे. देन आफ्टर we should try to give answers of simple questions in the poem like rhyming words, meanings of the words, these questions. And about appreciation, there are 5 marks and 5 in the construction of appreciation of poem. We should remember the actual name and title of the poem. Then after we should remember the name of the poet, that is for 1 mark. Then after we should try to explain theme of the poem. आपल्याला त्याची थीम व्यवस्थित सांगता आली पाहिजे. और सेंट्रल आयडिया ऑफ द पोएम. देन आफ्टर व्हाय वी लाइक दिस पोएम, व्हाय डू वी लाइक दिस पोएम, आपल्याला ही पोएम का आवडते हे सुद्धा आपल्याला स्पष्ट करता आलं पाहिजे. अँड देन आफ्टर फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इन द पोएम. पोएम मध्ये कोणकोणत्या फिगर ऑफ स्पीच आलेल्या आहेत, व्हाट आर द फिगर ऑफ स्पीच which are included in the poem, that also we have to tell in the appreciation of poem. The appreciation of poem is for 5 marks. Let's move towards the title of the poem. What is the title? The title is A Teenager's Prayer. Teenager's Prayer. मराठी मध्ये याचं मीनिंग काय होतं? What the मराठी meaning of the title? किशोरवयीनांची प्रार्थना. Teenager that means किशोरवयीन. किशोरवयीन म्हणजे काय? Those students or those children who are in the age group of 13 to 19. 13 to 19 या एज ग्रुप मध्ये जे कोणी विद्यार्थी असतील, whoever students or children in the age group of 13 to 19. If you can see the spelling of 13, if you see the spelling of 13, at the end of the spelling of 13, you will find T-E-E-N. These 4 letters will find. हे 4 शब्द तुम्हाला at the end of the spelling of 13. 13 पासून 19 पर्यंत बघा चला. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. तो 19 तक आपको क्या मिलेगा? You will find or you will get teen. Teen. That's the word teen. याचा अर्थ काय होतो? Those persons or those children who are in the age group of 13 to 19, they are in the age group of teenage. So this is the prayer of teenagers. One more thing that I want to tell you, this thing, teenagers. Here is a symbol. See this symbol. This is the symbol of apostrophe. And you have learned apostrophe in standard 6. 6वी पासून apostrophe आपण शिकत आलेलो आहोत. So you have been learning this apostrophe. You can take example of apostrophe like home of Kedar or prayer of teenagers. If we want to tell sentence, if we want to tell phrases like this, home of Kedar, if you want to use of in a phrase, then that time we use apostrophe for showing the short form of this phrase. Home of Kedar. So we can write this thing as Kedar's home. We have used apostrophe over here for showing the short form of this phrase. Then another example is like this, prayer of teenagers. Prayer of teenagers. This is the full phrase and we have to make short form of this phrase. So that's why that time we can use apostrophe over here like this. A teenager's prayer. Prayer of teenagers. Teenagers prayer. Understood? that is the apostrophe that we have already learned in standard 6. Now there is one more example of apostrophe, that is in the figure of speech. अलंकारिक भाषेमध्ये apostrophe असते. ती apostrophe कशी असते बरं? Let's see about that. In our childhood there was one poem. That poem was Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. The poet wants to talk with that twinkle twinkle star. Poet ला काय करायचंय? What poet want to do? Poet want to speak with that star. But in that communication, can that star also communicate with poet? The poet शी पुन्हा star बोलू शकणार आहे का? No, because star is an abstract thing. Star is an absent person. That person cannot talk in written to poet. So that time poet used this type of figure of speech. That figure of speech known as apostrophe. त्याला म्हणतात apostrophe. In this poem also, teenager's prayer. In this teenager's prayer, teenager person or teenager child, that child wants to talk with God, and they are praying to God. They are praying their poem to God, and that is also one type of apostrophe figure of speech. Now students, let's start the first stanza of the poem. First stanza of the poem is, each day brings new beginnings. The decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. म्हणजेच काय? Each day brings new beginnings. दिवसाचा प्रत्येक दिवस, each day brings new beginnings. प्रत्येक दिवसामध्ये काहीतरी नवीन opportunity असते. There is new opportunity in each day, and that each day brings new word or new opportunity for us, new beginning for us. That means each day brings new beginnings, and we have to take the benefit of that each day beginnings, each day new beginnings. We have to take benefit of it. Then the poet tells us that decisions I must make. In that new beginning, we have to take decisions. We have to decide that what we have to do. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे हे आपण त्याच्यामध्ये डिसाइड करायचं. त्याच्यामध्ये in the new beginnings of each day, God gives us new beginning every day. God gives us opportunity every day, and we have to decide that what we have to do or how can we use that opportunity. It is depend on us. That decisions I must make, because we must take right decisions for that new beginning. त्या नवीन सुरुवातीसाठी आपण काहीतरी right decision घेतला पाहिजे. We have to take. We should take. आणि इथं आणखी एक वेगळ्या प्रकारे decisions I must make. ही सुद्धा एक काय आहे? That is also figure of speech. ही एक figure of speech आहे. The name of this figure of speech is inversion. Inversion म्हणजे काय? उलटा पालट करून सांगितलंय. I must make decisions ऐवजी काय सांगितलंय? Decisions I must make. So each day brings new beginnings. Decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. मीच एकटा कोण आहे? I am the only one to choose. मीच निवडणार आहे. I will choose the road of my life, and I am the only one responsible for my fate. I am the only one responsible for my work. So that I am the only one responsible for my decisions, and I was responsible for my work. I will be also. मी स्वतःच माझ्या डिसिजनसाठी रिस्पॉन्सिबल असणार आहे. म्हणजे काय? The teenager has that capability to take right decision, and he is also responsible. He is only one the responsible. He or she only one the responsible for his decision. So each day brings new beginnings. Decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. जो काही आयुष्याचा रस्ता, the way of life that I will choose, that I am the only one responsible for choosing that road of life. Let's move towards second one stanza. Second one stanza is, I can choose to take the road of life. I can choose to take road of life that leads to great success. मी आयुष्याचा तो रस्ता निवडू शकतो. I can choose that way of my life. That way goes to the great success. म्हणजे सक्सेस कडे घेऊन जाणारा रस्ता. A way towards the success that I can choose. Poet wants to tell in his poem. पोएटला त्याच्या पोएम मध्ये सांगायचं आहे की मी आयुष्याचा तो रस्ता निवडू शकतो जो सक्सेस कडे जाणारा आहे. I can choose that way of my life. That way goes to the success, and then travel down to the darkened road that leads to great distress. म्हणजे काय? आणखी एक जो रस्ता आहे की I can choose second one way that travel down to the darkened road. म्हणजे असाही एक रस्ता आहे. There are two ways. In in front of poet. पोएटच्या समोर टीनेजरच्या समोर दोन रस्ते आहेत. There are two ways in front of that teenager, and teenager is saying that I can choose to take road of life that leads to great success. सक्सेस कडे नेणारा जो रस्ता आहे तो मी चूज करू शकतो. आणि और त्याच्यामध्ये दुसरे एक और सांगितलेलं आहे, और वन मोर रोड that is going to the darkened way. darkened way, darkened मीनिंग दिलेला आहे. इथे darkenedचा आता अंधार नाही होत, अंधार एक प्रकारे होतो, पण इथे त्यांनी पापाला अंधार म्हटलेले. पोएट इज कॉलिंग sin टू, पोएट इज कॉलिंग डार्कनेस टू sin. sin म्हणजे अंधार, sin म्हणजे पाप. सो दुष्ट आणि वाईट कृत्य याला त्यांनी तिथे डार्कन रोड म्हटलेला आहे. ट्रॅव्हल डाऊन टू द डार्कन रोड म्हणजे एक दुसरा रस्ता आहे जो कुठे घेऊन जाणार आहे, दुष्ट वाईट कृत्यांचा रस्ता, तो पापाकडे अंधाराकडे घेऊन जाणार आहे. दॅट वे विल गो टुवर्ड्स द डार्कन वे that leads to great distress, and that way, that darkened way will leads to great distress. That means poet is telling in his poem, poet is telling that if we go towards the darkened road, and that way will give us distress. Distress, that means tension. If we go towards the wrong way, that wrong way might give us tension. So that's why we have to take right way of our life. Let's move towards third one stanza. In third one stanza, poet is saying that please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Hey देवा मला मदत कर. Hey God, please help me for opening my eyes that I might clearly see. Poet wants to watch the situation clearly. Poet wants to understand the situation clearly. That's why he is requesting to the God, please open up my eyes, dear Lord. That's why he is praying to God. Hey God, please give me that power to open up my eyes. Please aware me that I might clearly see, and help me for what is right. And poet is also saying to God, poet is also praying to God that help me to stand for what is right and bring out the best in me. म्हणजेच काय, poet is requesting to God. Poet is requesting to God that please help me, Lord, for standing that what is right. Poet is in one type of dilemma. Poet is in one type of confusion, in confusing state that he doesn't know that what is right and what is wrong. So that's why he is in confusion, and for avoiding that confusion, he is requesting to God. He is praying to God that please help me, Lord, for standing standing about that what is right, and for ignoring those things that what is wrong, and bring out the best in me. Please help me, Lord, for bringing out those things which are best in me, for bringing out those qualities which are best in me. In which quality that I am perfect, please develop that quality, or please help me for developing that quality. So poet is saying like that. Poet काय म्हणतोय की हे देवा मला मदत कर, हे माझ्यामध्ये काय बेस्ट आहे. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see, and help me for standing that what is right, and bring out the best in me. Let's move towards fourth stanza. Help Lord to just say no when temptation comes to my way. म्हणजे इथे पोएट काय करत आहे, पोएट इज रिक्वेस्टिंग अगेन टू गॉड. पोएट इज प्रेइंग टू गॉड that help Lord to just say no. We have also that quality. We should have that quality to say no or refusing something. एखाद्या गोष्टीला नाही सुद्धा म्हणता आलं पाहिजे. Poet is telling to God, poet is praying to God that help Lord to just say no when temptation comes to my way. Temptation means those attractive things, that those things are coming in my way, and that time help Lord to just say no for those attractive things. Because what will happen if we will go towards that attractive thing, and then that time we will go towards great distress. Because if we think that that is gold, and if we go and touch that thing, that time we understand that oh, it is not gold, it is just something else, it is anything else. That time we will get deceived, आपण त्या ठिकाणी फसवले जाऊ. So that time we will get failure, fear, for avoiding that tension, for avoiding that distress, that time help Lord to just say no to that temptation. Temptation means काय की बुरड पाडणारी गोष्ट, मोह पाडणारी गोष्ट. When temptation comes to my way, that time please help me Lord to just say no to that temptation, that I might keep clean my body. So by avoiding this kind of temptation, अशा प्रकारच्या वेगवेगळ्या मोहित होणाऱ्या बुरड पाडणाऱ्या गोष्टींना अवॉइड करून, by avoiding this kind of temptation, we can keep that I might keep my body clean. मी माझं शरीर आणि मन सुद्धा स्वच्छ ठेवेल and fit for my life each day. आणि माझं शरीर मन हे सुद्धा तंदुरुस्त ठेवेल माझ्या आयुष्यासाठी for each day. दररोज मी माझे शरीर स्वच्छ ठेवू शकेल. that I could keep my body clean and fit for my life each day. Now it is the last stanza. In last stanza, poet is telling us that when my teenagers years are over, ज्यावेळेस माझे teenagers year, किशोरवयीन असलेले जे वय आहे ते सगळे संपत आलेले असेल, when that will end, that time I know that I will see, मी त्यावेळेस काय बघेल, that life, that whatever life that I lived, it's very best, it was very best. जे काही जीवन मी जगलो, whatever life that I lived, it was very best. Because of what? Because that God, you were walking next with next to me. तेव्हा त्यावेळेस काय होतं, with you walking next to me. तेव्हा तू त्यावेळेस माझ्या सोबतच चालत होता. Hey God, you were walking next to me in my life, so that's why it was very best. ही माझी teenagers life best का होती? Because God was walking next to me. In this last stanza, poet is praying to God that please help me Lord and please walk with me in my life. So that's why it was the teenager's prayer, and in the full poem we have learned that how a teenager girl or how a teenager boy is praying to God. देवाला कशा प्रकारे प्रार्थना करत आहे हे आपण यामध्ये बघितलं. So watch this video and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much.